Think your home is smart? Think again. Here are 10 genius smart home hacks that are simple, save time, money, and effort. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, you'll wish you knew these sooner. Let's dive in. Number 10. Smart Surge Protector. First up, replace your standard power strip with a smart surge protector like the APC Smart Plug Wi-Fi Power Strip. It lets you control individual outlets remotely, schedule device usage, and monitor energy consumption. Perfect for charging stations or home entertainment systems. Number 9. Smart Curtain Controllers. Imagine your curtains opening at sunrise. The SwitchBot Curtain Smart Controller does just that. Save energy, enjoy natural light, or set the mood for movie nights. Automate curtains for energy efficiency and luxury. Number 8. DIY Smart Entryway Organizer. Upgrade your entryway with the TileMate Bluetooth tracker. Attach to essentials and get alerts when they're out of range. Never misplace your keys again. Number 7. Voice-controlled fans. Make your old fans smart with the Bond Smart Ceiling Fan Controller. Control everything from speed to direction with just your voice via Alexa or Google Assistant. Voice control for your ceiling fan. Simple and smart. See description below. Number 6. Smart Kitchen Scale. Elevate your meal prep with the Etekcity Smart Kitchen Scale. Sync it with apps to manage calories, macros, and portions effortlessly. Number 5. Smart Alarm for Windows and Doors. Enhance security with the Ring Alarm Contact Sensor. Get instant notifications if a door or window opens. Number 4. Smart Diffuser for Aromatherapy. Create a serene environment with the AromaTech Smart Diffuser. Set it to your daily routine for a relaxing start or end to your day. Number 3. Smart Dog Feeder. Ensure your pet is fed on time with the WOPET Smart Pet Feeder. Schedule meals and monitor from anywhere. Timely meals for your pets with smart tech. See description below. Number 2. Color-changing smart light bars. Transform your room with Govee smart light bars. Sync with your media for an immersive experience or set the mood. Dynamic lighting to match your vibe. Number 1. Smart Mirror. Let's wrap things up with a touch of luxury and tech. Introducing the HiMirror Slide Smart Mirror, the ultimate upgrade to your morning routine. This isn't just a mirror, it's your personal assistant. The HiMirror analyzes your skin, tracks your progress, and offers personalized skincare tips. It also displays your calendar, weather updates, and even plays your favorite music or podcasts while you get ready. With adjustable lighting that mimics natural daylight, it ensures your makeup or grooming is always on point. Plus, it syncs with Alexa, making your morning smarter and more streamlined. There you have it, 10 genius hacks to make your home smarter, save money, and simplify life. Which was your favorite? Drop it in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more smart home tech tips. See you soon! Which was your favorite? Drop it in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more smart home tech tips. See you soon! Just a heads up, this video contains affiliate links. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. Subscribe for more smart home hacks.